Hey everyone, this is Lolo Ready from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today we're recreating a lead called Horizon, and it sounds like this. If you want to listen and watch the MIDI, let's deactivate the shaper box. Now in solo. Really cool sound, right? And if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Melodic Techno Academy Volume 2. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's initialize Serum so we can get started with the sound design. And it sounds like this if we listen to it raw. We're going to start by selecting a basic CJW and put the wet position all the way up. Pretty much as a saw, but not like a saw. Now we're going to also select oscillator B and select a basic CJW over here and also wet position all the way up, but octave a bit down. Now the level of this one is going to go quite low. And that's pretty much it. Now filter, we're going to select an MG low 12. We're going to select A and B and it sounds like this. Now we're going to pick this cutoff and put it a bit down, somewhere like this. But we have to modulate this with envelope 1. So now let's do the modulation first. But we need this to be a pluck. So let's put the sustain all the way down. And the decay also a bit down. Somewhere like this. This handle is going to go a little bit up. And that's pretty much it with the envelope 1. Now we're also going to go into the filter, put the drive a bit up. And that's pretty much it. Now compressor. We're going to start by using a compressor, multi-band compressor. We're going to pick this gain and put it a bit up. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to pick the wet and put it a bit down. Now distortion, we're going to start by using a hard clip distortion, and we're going to put this drive a little bit here. Put the wet a little bit down as well. Somewhere like this. Perfect. Now we're going to select an EQ, and we're going to choose a bell curve and also a high shelf. The bell, we're going to start by putting this a bit up. Somewhere like this. But that's not the right frequency, so we have to put this a little bit up. Somewhere like this, and make this wider. Now we also have to increase the gain only of the high shelf without changing the frequency and the Q. And you can see the crankiness of the sound that we want. Now delay. We're going to start by choosing a 1/8 delay with dot for both. Ping pong. And we're not going to do anything to the frequency. Now, reverb. We're going to pick this decay, put it a bit up. Low cut also a bit up. And we're going to increase the wet. Now, if you want to listen to this in context, let's activate the shaper box. Maybe a bit quieter. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I hope that you liked this preset. And if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Lolo Ready from Abstract Music Lab, signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.